Ashita and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be giving myself that complete spa treatment at home, and I'm gonna be using all of these products. I've seen all of these products either on Instagram or on YouTube, and that's why I was tempted to get it in the first place. So these are quite popular and hyped up products, and I want to put it out there that this video is not sponsored by any brand. ये मैं आपको पहले ही बता रही हूँ. In fact, I got these on my birthday. I shared it in my birthday haul also. So ये तो gift है मेरे friends की तरफ से. They have sponsored this, and others I have bought on my own. Now this particular product was a part of PR package for my Instagram, but it has nothing to do with this video. So this video is not sponsored. And आप जैसे देख रहे हो, most of these products are still packed. हम used them before, and right now अभी मैं जब ये use करूँगी, I'm gonna give you guys like my honest reviews and my first impressions. And yeah, that's what this video is gonna be all about. It's gonna be all about skincare and a spa day at home. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching this video. But before we get started with today's video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please abhi jaake subscribe karo and also hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video on YouTube. You can also follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle, and yeah, now let's get started with today's video. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be starting with body polishing, and I'm gonna use this kit by M Caffeine. Now this kit has a coffee body scrub, which I literally have heard so much about. I've seen other creators use this so much and literally wanted to try this since so long. इसके बारे में मैंने बहुत सुना है, बहुत देखा है, इसके बहुत सारे अच्छे reviews देखे हैं. So I'm quite excited to try this particular product. And after that, I'm gonna be using this body butter, which is their Choco body butter. Yeah, let's get started with the body scrub first. I have some water here in a bowl, so I'm gonna be using that to wet my skin because I have to film. वैसे ideally मैं ये काम bathroom में करती नहाते वक्त, but I'm gonna do it here. So I'm really excited to try this. Also guys, this video is gonna be very candid. It's just gonna be mostly me trying out different skincare and also chatting with you guys. I'm actually filming this video because मेरे घर पे अभी painting चल रही है. So I woke up extra early today and I'm filming this video right in the morning. So I'm literally giving myself that spa treatment right in the morning. इससे पहले painters आ जाए क्योंकि उसके बाद शोर होता है and I don't have a mic. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Currently it is 8 AM and I'm here to polish my body. It actually smells literally like coffee. It smells quite nice. जब हम Starbucks में enter करते हैं और एकदम कॉफ़ी की fragrance आती है, it smells exactly like that. It literally feels like I'm rubbing coffee on my hands right now. So I mean, it is giving justice to its name. So I rinsed my hands with water, and now I'm gonna repeat the same thing for my other hand. Okay guys, so I'm done exfoliating my skin. It does feel smooth. I'm not gonna lie, it does feel smooth. But मेरे साथ हमेशा ऐसा होता है जब भी मैं बॉडी स्क्रब यूज़ करती हूँ, हल्के हल्के से रेडनेस और थोड़ा सा पैचेस आ जाते हैं जो आई डोंट थिंक कैमरे पे विजिबल हैं, बट आई कैन सी. दैट्स बिकॉज मेरी स्किन थोड़ी सी ड्राई है. सो आई गेस दैट्स द रीज़न वाई. सो नाउ आई एम गोना बी मूविंग ऑन टू दिस बॉडी बटर, जिसके लिए मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ बिकॉज आई लव बॉडी बटर्स. It smells like chocolate ice cream, and I'm not even kidding. It does smell like chocolate ice cream. Oh my god, these products literally smell so yummy. So I'm just gonna take not a little bit, I'm gonna take generously, and I'm gonna start applying on my arms. I love the texture. Oh wow. Oh, I already love this product. जैसे मैंने पहले बताया, एक्सफोलिएटिंग के बाद मेरी स्किन और ड्राई हो जाती है. सो this body butter is actually really perfect for that because oh my god, it's so smooth. इसकी जो texture है, it feels very वेरी लशियस, वेरी एक्सपेंसिव एंड आई लव इट. कभी कभार जो चॉकलेट वैरायटी के हम प्रोडक्ट्स लेते हैं उसकी जो फ्रेग्रेंस होती है इट इज़ टू स्वीट एंड टू चॉकलेटी विच आई डोंट लाइक, बट इसकी जो फ्रेग्रेंस है इट इज़ एक्चुअली वेरी वेरी सटल. Okay guys, so now for my first impressions and review of this M Caffeine body polishing kit. I really loved it. इसको मुझे long time के लिए यूज़ करना पड़ेगा ताकि मैं आपको इसके actual results बता पाऊँ. Right now of course because I have used this luscious body butter, my skin feels super smooth. Okay guys, so our body polishing is done and now moving on to the next products. I'm going to be using this nose pack and this lip patch by Tony Moly. Now ये मैंने अपने haul में दिखाया था और उसके बाद मैंने कमेंट पढ़ा था कमेंट सेक्शन में एंड समबडी वाज एडवाइजिंग मी टू नॉट यूज़ दिस लिप पैच क्योंकि उन्होंने ये यूज़ किया था एंड इट डिड नॉट सूट हर. सो आई मीन आई स्टिल वांट टू यूज़ इट क्योंकि मैंने ये लिया है एंड आई हैव सीन अ लॉट अबाउट दिस लिप पैच. सो आई मीन लेट्स गिव इट अ ट्राई. एंड विद दिस आई एम ऑल्सो गोना बी यूजिंग दिस नोज पैक. दोनों ही प्रोडक्ट्स हमें 15-20 मिनट्स के लिए अप्लाई करना है. सो आई एम गोना अप्लाई बोथ ऑफ दीज प्रोडक्ट्स साइमल्टेनियसली. It kind of looks like a mustache. I have used some lukewarm water to wet my nose and now I'm gonna apply this sheet. And I'm gonna look so funny with this nose patch and this lip patch. Oh my god, I can't even, but I have to try this. How do I open this? Okay, so this will be my first time applying a lip patch. It is really slippery and slimy and yeah, I think I'm just supposed to apply this. What? Why is this not working? Okay. Well, that was very underwhelming. I'm also gonna remove this nose patch and then I'm gonna give you guys like a collective review. I mean, yeah, it did its job. I don't want to show you guys my blackheads, so we're just gonna throw it away. Okay, so now coming to this lip patch. First of all, you look so funny. But apart from that, oh my god, I'm getting distracted. When you first apply, for the first 1 to 2 minutes you feel like a very cooling sensation which is really nice, but उसके बाद इतना कुछ असर नहीं रह जाता है. So I mean, I don't know, I don't think I'm gonna be using this again, and because it only felt like I've put some jelly on my lips. So yeah. And for the nose pack, it was a pretty decent nose pack. It did its job. The thing is that for one single nose pack you will have to pay 50 rupees, पर hip hop स्किन केयर के जो नोज पैक होते हैं जो मैं यूजली यूज़ करती हूँ उसमें आई थिंक इट इज़ 90 for 3. सो आई मीन आई एम गोना गेट दोज ओनली क्योंकि काम तो दोनों का सेम ही है. Hey guys, so now moving on to the next product, I'm gonna be using this Foreo UFO along with its activated mask. This one is Make My Day. So I have worked with this brand for Instagram and for today's spa treatment I really wanted to include this product. Now this product is more on the expensive side and it's more like an investment क्योंकि अभी तक मैंने इसको जितना यूज़ किया है I have honestly loved it. You guys have seen me using sheet masks a lot. That's why I wanted to include this because ये थोड़ा different है sheet mask से. It is a very advanced sheet mask treatment. So yeah, I think आज की वीडियो के लिए बहुत appropriate होगा. So I'm gonna take the residue serum and gently apply it on my face. पता नहीं आप लोगों को कैमरे पे डिफरेंस नज़र आ रहा है कि नहीं, बट हर बार जब मैं प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करती हूँ ना I see that glow on my skin which I love. Okay, so now moving on to the last product in this video and that is this lip sleeping mask by Laneige. Now मैंने ये आपको again अपने birthday haul में दिखाया था and I haven't used it so much after that. So yeah, I need to use this more often. I'm gonna quickly apply it. I really love the thick texture of this lip balm. It actually feels quite expensive on your lips and I really think it's worth the price. इसको बस मुझे regularly use करना है to see its after effects. But अभी तक मैंने इसको जितनी बार भी apply किया है मुझे realize होता है हाँ it is actually worth it. I will definitely purchase this one again. और इसको use करने के बाद मुझे Laneige के और भी products try करने का मन कर रहा है. So guys, that was it for my candid spa day. I really enjoyed filming this video. You guys let me know आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी in the comment section down below. And अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है प्लीज़ करके जाना. And also in the comment section let me know कि आपको आगे कौन सी वीडियोस देखनी है. And if you enjoyed this video make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also please let me know अगर आपको ऐसी candid videos पसंद आती है तो मैं और फिल्म करूँगी. And yeah guys, I'm gonna go now. आप अपना ध्यान रखो, immunity strong रखो और सारी precautions लो. And I'm gonna see you guys next time. Bye.